Welcome to Code with Vinod. In this video, we will start a new series on Angular. And in this video, we will learn why we require Angular for a web application and what is the benefit of Angular based website. So, Angular based website is a single page web application, and Angular is a kind of structured framework to create a web based application. So here we have a main page and we have F1 and F2 are our functionality. So a single page application means when we want to go inside our functionality one, so it will not reload the complete web page. It will just make the change inside the given functionality component. So it's a component based website. So this is the main benefit of our single page web application. And React.js also provides single page web application functionality, but in Angular we will use TypeScript, but in the Java, sorry, in React.js has some different functionality. But this is the complete means Angular is a complete structural web framework to create a single page web application. So let's come on Angular documentation. So this is Angular documentation, and here we have some pre required experience to learn Angular. So we should have knowledge on HTML, and also we should have some programming website content means based JavaScript experience, mean how we actually use the JavaScript in our website. Also we should have a knowledge on some style sheet, let's say CSS, to set the, let's say, color feature on our website kind of thing, and size of any kind of word and string. So we should have also a knowledge on command line uh, interface of any operating system. So these are the prerequisite to learn Angular. And next we will learn how we can install our means Angular. So to install Angular, we should already have some kind of let's say Node.js in our system. So let's check if Node.js is already installed or not. So let me open a new PowerShell. This is already running. So let me open my PowerShell and we will check node version hyphen version, and this is v18. And also we will check in the terminal, means install the correct version of Node.js for a Angular. So for a latest Angular, it should have a specific means version of Node.js. So if I go on this link, so this is link for Node.js. If not, if you do not have a version, means if your Node.js is not already installed in your system, then you can download it from this side and you can install. And if it is already installed, so we will check if it is correct version. So we will check this JSON file. So here this node should be greater than or equal to this 18. So we have already 18 node.js, so it is correct. And also we will check our node.js. So we will run this command npm install this angular CLI. So this will install our Angular feature. So npm will already installed with node.js. So let's check if Angular is already installed or not. So we will check ng version. So our Angular is already installed with updated node. This is our Angular version. So now if Angular is not installed in your system, then you can run this command. After then you can use any development environment IDE. So I will use Visual Studio Code. So let's check other things. So in the next video we will learn our hello world page on Angular based website. So thanks for watching this video.